Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we talk about Samsung new monitor M8. Along with telling the details, I am also sharing some pictures with you, so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Samsung has launched a ton of smart monitors that feature a high-res display, DeX compatibility, and integrated smart TV software. One model even has a 43-inch screen. But the new smart monitor M8 looks like the most practical implementation of Samsung's interesting 2-in-1 desktop display concept. Starting at $700, Smart Monitor M8 features a 32-inch 4K display with a nearly borderless design. That's a perfect size and resolution for working at your desk or watching TV from across a small room. Monitor features HDR10+ support, comes with a magnetic webcam, and supports both Alexa and Google Assistant. Included remote control helps you use the M8 like a TV, and its built-in Tizen software should feel familiar to Samsung TV owners. You can also cast content to the monitor using AirPlay, and oddly enough, it can run Microsoft 365 apps natively, without connecting to a computer. Port-wise, we're looking at one HDMI port and two USB-C ports with 65-watt pass-through charging. Only one of these USB-C ports supports video or data transfer. While I don't think that desktop users will care too much about the M8's limited port selection, people who plug their laptop into a monitor will miss out on the bevy of USB ports usually included with monitors at this price. Smart Monitor M8's design, it's clearly inspired by the new iMac. But I think that these are the best looking smart monitors in Samsung's lineup, and frankly, I'm just happy to see more companies selling screens that aren't black or grey. Lot of people are comparing Samsung's Smart Monitor M8 to the new Apple Studio display. While I don't think it's a fair comparison, Monitor M8 seems like the better value. It's larger than the Studio display and costs half as much. You can reserve the M8 display now at Samsung's website. The white model priced at $700 and the colorful versions are $730. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video. And please, subscribe our channel.